Line trimmers are a fantastic piece of kit for getting to all those areas of grass and weeds where a lawnmower won't reach. For example, at the base of fences, the base of walls, around garden furniture. And they work very simply using a piece of nylon cord that revolves very quickly. So it will cut through that tough vegetation. And they give you that really professional finished look. I always recommend line trimming first, blowing or sweeping the trimmings back onto the lawn, and then vacuuming up with the actual lawnmower, and you'll get that professional finish all around the edge of your garden or in those more wild areas of the garden you need to keep managed. They're actually powered in different ways as well. I've got two fantastic Webb line trimmers here. One is petrol driven, one is a cordless machine. This is the Webb 26cc petrol line trimmer, a lightweight but really powerful bit of kit that's going to allow you to line trim absolutely anywhere you need to. So when those weeds are coming up in the spring, when you've got the nettles, the docks all coming up and you need to trim them down before they become too much, you might be pulling out if you drive onto a road and you've got your view obscured, you can do that. You might need to go along the sides of a ditch, for example, you can do that. You can go along the base of walls, fences, around garden furniture. This amazing, powerful but lightweight piece of kit is just going to do the job for you very well. You've got a guard down here as well, which protects you from stones actually flying out. You've got the nylon cord on the end there as well, and that automatically feeds out while you're using it. So while that's actually whizzing round, just tap that on the ground a couple of times, and as you do so, more nylon line will be fed out, and the blade on the side here will cut it off to the exact length it needs to be. So no stopping and manually feeding this, just bump and feed. And the cordless machine is not only a line trimmer but also a lawn edger, so two functions in one there. This is the Webb 20-volt cordless line trimmer and lawn edger, a really fantastic piece of kit that is so easy to use. Starting at the top here, we actually have an adjustable handle, so you can adjust that to whatever position suits you. Let go and it clicks into place. Also telescopic, you can make the shaft as long or as short as you want to suit your height. So again, another great feature on that as well. And also you can even turn the head and actually use this as a lawn edger as well. So you can edge the edge of those borders, or you can edge where the grass meets the pavement. So this really is a fantastic, lightweight, easy to use, powerful bit of kit that you can use all around the garden. And remember, it's completely cordless, so you can take it wherever you need to use it, and it's going to give you those great professional results. Just be careful when using these machines. Look out for hazards, make sure you've got a firm footing, make sure you're not going to catch any stones or anything that could be catapulted into the air. But they're very simple to use. The heads are very easy to refill with a nylon cord. They both have automatic nylon head feeding systems as well, so the nylon cord comes out automatically as you use the machine, which means they're really simple to use. And they're just going to give you that extra piece of kit that means you can get that professional look, as I say, all around your garden, all around your property. And because one is petrol driven and because one is battery powered, you've got that complete freedom and mobility to take these machines wherever you need to use them.